Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to update language on your account on Xtutor easy and quick. First, click on your profile. Now click settings and privacy. And now click accessibility, display and languages. And now click languages. Now click preferred language. And here you will find it, update language, click on it. And here you can search language, any language you want. And that's it, click next. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.